Hey friends, let's take a look at these Oregon round files, flat files, and file holders that you use for chainsaw stuff. Here we go. Okay friends, so these are the essentials for what you need to sharpen a chainsaw chain. You need a round file, at the very least, a flat file, which we'll show you that, and it's nice to have one of these handles, so I consider it as an essential if you don't want to mess up your poor little hands. So on round files, this is the most confusing thing. There are different diameters of round files. So you need to have the right diameter to go with the chainsaw chain, and of course the diameter measurements they give you on chainsaw files can be different than the measurement they give you on a chainsaw chain. Why is that? I don't know. Here is a handy guide here. So 7/32 round file is a .404 chain, 13/64 is a 3/8, 3/16 is a 325, 5/32 is a 3/8 pico or a quarter, and 1/8 is a quarter pico. Why do I like these Oregon round files? First of all, they're easy to find and they're good quality. All we want in a file, if we can get some focus here, is lots and lots and lots of little cutters that eat away metal. And these Oregon files do a good job of that. They're long enough that you can use them with two hands. They're flat files, same deal, good quality. And two-sided, which is important. And then the handles, well, the handles are just cheap and they say Oregon on them, so that's good enough. So how does the handle work with the round file? I'm glad you asked. You poke the round file in there and you go like this, whack! You whack it on your desktop or your worktop, and now you have a handle with which to hold your round file. You gotta have these handles. Then what we do is, and again, this isn't a master class, so you get your round file in this cutter right here, push forward. After you do that, you just want to make sure that every one of these cutters, there's a hump in front of them. You want to file that hump down so it's not sitting up higher than the cutter is. Usually only takes a few strokes. So that's the stuff you need. This Oregon, easy to get, the price isn't bad, but it's not garbage. We use these a lot. So that's some good stuff.